Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming identity and clearing the account. First, locate your Commbank account number, photo ID, and latest statement so verification is quick. Next, move recurring payments and redirect income to your alternative account. This prevents failed debits. Once done, transfer any remaining balance and clear overdrafts or pending transactions. This step reduces the bank's reason to delay closure and makes the process smoother when you contact Commbank to request the official closure. You now engage Commbank directly to submit the closure request. Choose NetBank, the app chat, phone, or visit a branch. Each method requires ID and may require in-branch signature for some accounts. Ask the representative to close the specific account, cancel associated cards, and unlink any offset arrangements. Then get a reference number and expected closure date. Make sure to confirm how residual interest is handled and whether any fees apply, because that affects the final balance you should expect. You finish by verifying the account is closed and keeping records. Check your final statement and the closure confirmation reference. Save screenshots or paper copies. If a balance or fee appears after closure, request an itemized ledger and ask how and when they will adjust it. This often resolves simple errors quickly. If the bank delays or refuses without reason, escalate through internal complaints. And if unresolved, you can lodge with the external dispute body for a formal review.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.